Hey everyone, my name is Kevin Slick. I'm a sales associate here at Tab Industries, and I just wanted to take a quick second to help introduce our new preventative maintenance kits. Here at Tab Industries, we strive to continually support our customers by providing them the best quality products at the most economical prices. Our preventative maintenance kits are designed to do just that. With our preventative maintenance kits, you won't ever have to worry about your Tab Wrapper Tornado operating at its full potential. Stay tuned to see all the preventative maintenance kits we will be providing to our customers. Alright, now to introduce our preventative maintenance kits to you. First on the list is our auto cut device kit. This auto cut device kit will include our auto cut device, air hoses that connect to the auto cut device, as well as the striker pad and blades. The next kit that's going to be on our list here is going to be our auto cut exhaust blower kit. And this is more for our newer machines, so some of our older models may not support this option. But what this device does is recycles the air and allows it to unclog the auto cut device itself. Alright, the next preventative maintenance kit on our list is our dispensing unit. This dispensing unit kit is going to have our dispensing unit itself, as well as including both sway bars that are used to help stabilize the machine. Alright, our next preventative maintenance kit item is going to be our drive wheel assembly. This drive wheel assembly is going to include the drive wheel itself as well as the pulley. Along with the drive wheel assembly kit, we also have just the drive wheel kit. This is going to include the drive wheel and all the components that go with the drive wheel. Our next preventative maintenance kit is our non-drive wheel kit. Our non-drive wheel kit is what connects to the drive wheel itself and is also included in our whole drive wheel assembly. Our next preventative maintenance kit piece is our guide wheel arm. This guide wheel arm helps stabilize the ring itself inside the wrapper. Alright, to wrap up our preventative maintenance kits with you today, our last kit is going to be our seal kit. Our seal kits are a great thing to keep in stock and include our seal kit themselves, as well as 2 extra cutting blades and our striker pads. I want to thank you for taking the time with me today to learn a little bit more about our new preventative maintenance kits, and stay tuned for more innovative products we'll be coming out with in the near future.